I just wanted to show you what I'm going to do with all the extra basil, because my basil plants are growing amazing in the garden and everything, and I don't want to waste it. But you always have to prune it and everything. So what I did is I cut my basil, I washed it, put it in my salad spinner, and then what I'm going to do is take all the leaves out and just finely chop them. To save them, I'm gonna put them in ice cubes trays, and my friend Rhiannon Mendez is the one that told me about this, that she does. So I bought dollar store, not expensive, got the dollar trays, ice trays, you got 2 for $1. And what I'm doing is I'm just finely chopping it, and then just putting whatever certain amount you want that you like in your cooking in the little trays. And keep on cutting. I planted 4 basil plants this year, 2 regular basil and 2 garden leaf basil, which are the bigger leaves and everything. So 2 sweet and 2 garden leaves. So I'm just mixing them up. You see, finely chopped. Just sticking them however I want in ice cube trays. That way in the winter, when you're cooking and you want some basil, but of course it's out of season because everything dies in the winter, you could just go in your freezer and just grab your bag with your little basil in it and just throw them in your cooking and everything. Almost done. And what you want to do is, when you chop out your basil, clean them, put them in your trays, you want to get whatever olive oil you want to fill up the trays. That way when you're cooking, you pop it out, you have your olive oil, you have your basil in your pan, and you can start frying and cooking anything you want. So, not perfect, just spread it out nicely. So these are the basil. And then what you want to do is, this is the olive oil I use, you just want to pour it in, right over. See it sink down. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward and simple. You see the olive oil filled up. You see the basil, and you just pop this in the freezer. Once when it's frozen, you just take them out, pop them out, put them in a freezer bag, and then throw it in the freezer for when you want them in the winter. Have a great day.